I know in my last video I said that all the goats have been bred, but then the next day this happened. So Etta went back in with Billy Ray. And also this is Legs. She's just an old grandma who's just living out her days here on the farm. I've also finally got the strawberries mulched for winter. What I used for mulch was grass clippings that I had piled up all last fall. I had transplanted some strawberries late in the season and they all died out. So early next spring when I get some runners, I'm going to finish this bed off with more strawberry plants. Judy is doing good. She still loves to come outside and run. She still only likes to be out about 10 minutes and then she goes back to the gate and wants back in.
Come back, Judy. Come on, Judy. Come back, Judy. Come on.
And she's pretty good about listening to you too.
Come on back, Judy. Come on.
Most of the time. We heat my mom and dad's house and my apartment all with wood. We have a Taylor outdoor wood-burning furnace, and this wheelbarrow, if it's in the 30s or the 40s during the day and, around the 20s at night, a wheelbarrow that size will last over a day. And again, that's heating my mom and dad's house and my apartment. And this stove is way over 25 years old. It's between 25 and 30 years old, and every year my dad says this is probably the last year, but it just keeps on kicking. It's the end of December and today it's in the 60s, so I had to get out and do some yard work. This is zebra grass. It's great for privacy because we live so close to the road, but every winter it does need to be cut back. And about every other year, we go ahead and we burn it back before it comes out, because if you don't, if you look down inside here, you can see all of the debris that builds up, and then no grass will sprout there in the spring, and it gets very tall and spindly and it just flops over instead of going and making a good sized bush. And if you're going to burn it, it's best to do it before any of the green sprouts, so now's a good time. And by May, this will be back up to 6 or 8 feet tall again. And this grass is beautiful, but mostly we use it for privacy because right there is the road. So it's actually like a cheap living fence that keeps us private when we're out here working in the garden.